to my channel. It's your girl Baby Harry First React. Guys, I'm so happy to be right there because there is this lady song will I call it a song, a performance I wanna react to. Her name is, you guys know I love calling her name. Her name is always sweet in my mouth. Guys, you guys should guess who this artist is all about. Like, guess who the singer is? Guess! Now, her name is Lesti Kejora. Oh my god, you guys know how I love Lesti Kejora. Lesti Kejora. Yeah, I so much love Lesti Kejora. And right now, I'm going to be listening to one of her performances. We're going to be watching it together. I'm not going to pause it to know because I want us to flow with it. Now, Lesti Kejora had an amazing performance. And when I watched this, I was like, no, I have to bring it like up here for you guys. You guys know I love bringing amazing, intriguing, interesting, captivating music video reaction here on my channel. Baby Harry First, the #1 reactor in the building. So guys, let's give it up for Lesti Kejora. If you're new here, I'm Baby Harry First React with a beautiful face, your baby girl #1 reactor on the YouTube streets. Come on! So we are right there again. If you're returning, just take your flowers. I love you guys, and don't leave because at the end of this video I'm going to be sharing flowers, trust me. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Let's see what Lesti Kejora has to offer. Come on. I don't understand the costume I'm seeing here. These are human beings and police, so guys, I think I really love this music video. Everything, this stage was so colorful, and I think it's more like a collaboration, different artists coming together, singing on the stage, performing on the stage. Hey, Kejora! And I discovered that they wore a costume, and the costume was a kind of bit scary, but everything was just giving that choreography display, and it's just giving the premium. Everything was just so unique. I love the way they assembled together. I love the collaboration. I love the transition. I love the, oh my god, I love the way they actually I love the way they carried each other along, and everything was just flowing at a stretch. I really love this music video. I don't know, what do you guys think about this music video? Because love, for me, I think I'm gonna rate this 100 over 100. You guys know, oh my god, I am a big fan of Lesti and Kejora. Oh, come on! Yeah, you guys are doing amazing well. Like, oh my god, God really blessed people with talent. Come on! Hey guys, I was so happy watching this, and yeah, it's made my day. I love it's so colorful. Let me use that word. It's colorful, it's lit, and it's just so captivating. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. What do you guys think about this music video reaction? Like, what do you think about the music video itself? I want you guys to place your comments down in the comment section below. You guys should make my video an interactive one. Make this content one. Get right into the comment section and please pop in your comments right there. Let's get to know what the video is all about, and let's enlighten each other more. Let's shed more light on those actors and who they are and what they've done in the past years. Come on, you guys are amazing. So hi, I'm still your girl Baby Harryfro's React. If you're new here, this is home. This is Baby Harryfro's React. Welcome to her channel. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be always be the first to know whenever I post new videos. Like, share, and give us a huge thumbs up. If you're returning G's, I promise you guys I'm going to share flowers on this channel. I share flowers here every day. Take your flowers. I love you guys, and I'm rooting for you. So I think we're gonna wrap this up for today's video. Trust me, I'm not leaving you guys. I'm gonna be right here back very soon in my next video. I won't stay long. I'm always coming here on this channel, so trust me, I'm not leaving you guys. I'll be right back on my next video. I'm rooting for you. Please stay safe, and I love you guys. No, I love you all. Kisses. See you in my next video. Bye.